Freedom of travel reaches new heights with the Azimut Tapoui, a purpose-built expedition vehicle designed for long-distance adventures. Riding on a 4x4 Iveco Eurocargo chassis, it offers immense strength to cross deserts, jungles, and high-altitude passes with confidence. The design emphasizes true independence. Solar arrays, water purification, and large storage capacities make weeks off-grid not only possible, but comfortable. Inside, the Tapoui transforms into a modern home. A full kitchen, spacious lounge, bathroom, and bedroom create an inviting atmosphere that contrasts its rugged exterior. Every detail is built to balance functionality with elegance, giving travelers the chance to explore faraway places without leaving behind the comforts of daily life. Compact, stylish, and surprisingly versatile, the Atrusco CV600DB is built for travelers who want everyday drivability with the comfort of a mobile home. Based on a Fiat Ducato platform, this campervan handles narrow city streets as easily as winding mountain roads, making it perfect for both weekend escapes and long-distance adventures. Inside, clever design turns limited space into a cozy retreat. A convertible dining area, functional kitchenette, and a comfortable double bed create a warm, home-like atmosphere. Storage is neatly integrated, while modern finishes add a touch of sophistication. With efficient insulation and reliable utilities, the CV600DB is ready for year-round use. Out on the edge of civilization, where paved roads vanish into rugged trails, the EarthRoamer LTI thrives. Built on the Ford F550 platform, this expedition rig is designed for journeys measured not in miles, but in horizons. Its carbon fiber body keeps weight down without sacrificing durability, while massive off-road tires and four-wheel drive turn obstacles into playgrounds. Step inside, and the world outside feels 1,000 miles away. Heated floors, a fully equipped kitchen, and a queen-sized bed create a sanctuary in the wild. Solar power and large utility tanks extend self-sufficiency for weeks at a time, making it possible to disappear into the wilderness without compromise. More than a vehicle, the LTI is a statement. Luxury and adventure can live side by side, even far beyond the beaten path. The electric brand's Xbus is a modular electric vehicle designed to be versatile and adaptable for a wide range of uses, from a daily commuter to a commercial delivery van or a camper. Its core concept revolves around a skateboard chassis that houses the batteries and electric motors, onto which various body modules can be attached. This allows owners to easily swap out configurations, effectively transforming the vehicle to suit different needs. The Xbus is a compact, lightweight vehicle with a maximum speed of around 100 km per hour and a range of up to 600 km with the largest battery pack and optional solar panels. Its retro-inspired design, reminiscent of the classic Volkswagen Type 2 bus, adds to its unique appeal. Power, luxury, and endurance all meet in the SLRV Iveco Eurocargo, a true expedition machine built for global exploration. Sitting on the trusted Eurocargo 4x4 truck platform, it offers rugged capability to cross deserts, climb mountain passes, and navigate remote trails with ease. Inside, the story completely changes. Sleek interiors with a full-size kitchen, entertainment system, and a master bedroom give the feeling of a luxury apartment on wheels. Massive water and fuel storage, solar energy systems, and satellite connectivity extend off-grid independence for weeks at a time. Designed for long-haul adventurers who don't compromise on comfort, the SLRV Iveco Eurocargo proves that the edge of the world can still feel like home. Standing tall on a Mercedes-Benz Arocs chassis, the Bliss Mobil is nothing short of an overland palace on wheels. Designed for extreme expeditions, it combines German engineering strength with world-class luxury. The exterior boasts all-terrain tires, powerful 4x4 drive, and rugged durability, ensuring that no desert, jungle, or snow-covered trail is out of reach. But step inside, and it feels like entering a boutique apartment. Sleek cabinetry, a fully equipped kitchen, spa-style bathroom, and a cozy bedroom with panoramic views. With solar power, integrated water purification, and satellite connectivity, the Bliss Mobil Arocs transforms isolation into indulgence. It's the perfect balance of raw power and refined elegance, crafted for those who want to conquer the wild without ever leaving behind the comforts of home. The Sleipnir 2 8x8 isn't just a camper, it's a beast built for the most unforgiving landscapes on Earth. With 8 massive wheels, extreme ground clearance, and military-grade engineering, it moves across swamps, snow, sand, and even shallow rivers as if they were paved roads. Its exterior screams toughness, but the real surprise waits inside. The cabin is designed like a high-tech command center, equipped with comfortable sleeping quarters, modern kitchen facilities, and advanced climate control to handle Arctic chills or desert heat. Off-grid capabilities such as solar charging, large fuel reserves, and water storage give it weeks of independence. For explorers who see boundaries as challenges, the Sleipnir 2 8x8 is the ultimate expression of unstoppable adventure, combined with unexpected luxury. The Ross Monster Pagosa is a custom-built overland camper van designed for off-grid adventures and built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. Known for its high-quality craftsmanship, the Pagosa model features a spacious and functional interior layout, often including a full kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and a bathroom. The company, Ross Monster Vans, specializes in creating durable and highly customized vehicles that are equipped with advanced electrical systems, solar power, and large water tanks, making them suitable for extended trips into remote locations. The Pagosa is a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and well-appointed home on wheels for their outdoor explorations. The Crawler Otag 830 is an all-terrain, remote-controlled slope mower designed for working on steep gradients and difficult, uneven terrain, where traditional mowers would be unsafe or ineffective. Its low center of gravity and rubber track drive system provide excellent traction and stability on slopes up to 55 degrees, allowing it to tackle tasks such as mowing along roadsides, power lines, solar farms, and hilly landscapes. The machine's key features include a powerful engine and a flail or mulching deck, which effectively cuts and mulches vegetation. Operating the Otag 830 via a remote control keeps the user at a safe distance from potential hazards like steep slopes, ticks, and flying debris. Its robust construction and specialized design make it a highly efficient and safe solution for professional grounds maintenance and vegetation management in challenging environments. The Ross Monster Baja Plus is a high-performance overland vehicle designed for rugged exploration and off-grid living. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis, typically a Ram 5500, and features a robust four-wheel drive system capable of tackling challenging terrain. The vehicle is known for its durable construction, which includes an all-aluminum body and a reinforced roof rack for carrying gear. The interior is meticulously crafted for comfort and functionality, offering a well-appointed living space with a kitchen, sleeping area, and bathroom. The Baja Plus is equipped with a powerful power system, including solar panels and a large battery bank, enabling extended periods of off-grid travel. Its combination of a powerful engine, a durable build, and a luxurious interior makes it a popular choice for adventurers seeking a reliable and comfortable vehicle for long-term travel in remote locations. Dust rises on a forgotten desert track as the Mercedes-Benz Zetros powers forward. Its towering frame and 4x4 drivetrain built for terrains where ordinary vehicles give up. This is not just a truck, it's a command center on wheels, trusted by explorers, military teams, and adventurers who need unstoppable performance. Inside, however, the atmosphere shifts to comfort and control. Depending on the build, the Zetros can be transformed into a full-scale expedition camper with spacious sleeping quarters, modern kitchen, and high-tech systems for off-grid living. Massive fuel capacity, water storage, and rugged engineering make it capable of crossing continents without hesitation. Wherever the journey leads, Arctic ice, desert dunes, or mountain passes, the Zetros is designed to carry luxury and strength into the wild, rewriting what overland travel can mean. Built to handle the toughest journeys on Earth, the SLRV Expedition Isuzu FTS 800 blends raw off-road capability with refined living spaces. Its heavy-duty 4x4 truck chassis gives it the strength to traverse deserts, muddy tracks, and steep climbs, while the expedition-ready suspension keeps every ride stable and reliable. Step inside and the rugged exterior is quickly forgotten. Modern interiors feature a full kitchen, climate-controlled living quarters, smart storage, and a comfortable sleeping area designed for long-haul adventures. Solar power, large water tanks, and satellite systems allow weeks of off-grid independence, turning remote wilderness into a base of luxury. For explorers who demand strength and sophistication in one package, the FTS 800 is a proven companion. Built for those who crave adventure without compromise, the Armadillo Expedition XRunner takes the concept of a 4x4 camper van to the next level. Its aggressive stance, reinforced chassis, and heavy-duty suspension make it capable of tackling some of the most demanding terrains on Earth, from rocky mountain passes to desert trails. Inside, the XRunner surprises with its refined comfort, sleek modular furniture, climate control, and a fully equipped kitchen turn remote wilderness into a luxury retreat. With off-grid power solutions, water storage, and smart design, you can journey for days without relying on civilization. This is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress for explorers who demand both rugged reliability and high-end living. Tourist ATV is a rugged off-road camper designed for travelers who want to explore extreme terrains without sacrificing essential comfort. Built on a robust all-terrain vehicle platform, it features a lightweight yet durable body, high ground clearance, and powerful 4x4 drive, making it capable of navigating rocky paths, muddy trails, and snow-covered landscapes. The camper module includes a compact living area with sleeping space, cooking facilities, and storage solutions, allowing adventurers to remain self-sufficient in remote locations. Its modular design also means that it can be adapted for different travel needs, from weekend camping to longer overland journeys. Tourist ATV emphasizes practicality, mobility, and independence, appealing to outdoor enthusiasts who value freedom of movement in the wild. The Crawler Otag 385 is an expedition vehicle designed for both rugged off-road capability and luxurious living. Built with a lightweight, riveted aluminum structure, this vehicle is made to withstand long journeys in extreme conditions, while providing the comfort of a home. It features a spacious interior with a pop-up roof for a large primary bed, a convertible dining area that can sleep 2 more, and a fully equipped kitchen with a 3-burner stove, oven, and a 152-liter refrigerator. The Otag 385 also includes a private wet room with a shower and cassette toilet, as well as a range of modern amenities such as a smart TV, LED lighting, and a solar panel system. With options for a luxury wooden interior and compatibility with robust truck chassis like the Unimog, the Otag 385 blurs the line between a durable, off-grid expedition vehicle and a high-end recreational motorhome.